Good morning. What's up? What's up, fifth grade? How you doing? I hope you're all doing very well. I hope life is great for you guys today. So my lesson today has a little bit to do with what we did last week, and we did a little bit of career exploration last week, right? Trying to figure out what kind of jobs or what. This week we're gonna try to figure out for you guys what some of your interests are, and maybe what kind of jobs might go along with some of those interests. Okay. So we're going to actually do something, or you're going to do something for me. No, you're going to do something for you. Okay. So I'm going to turn my computer screen around so I could present to you what we're going to go through. Okay. My presentation is going to be very short because I'm going to leave you time to be able to do this for you. Okay. So we're going to do something called an interest profiler. Okay. An interest profiler is something where it asks you a bunch of questions. Okay. This is going to be 60 questions. Don't worry. I know that sounds like a lot, but they're very easy questions and very quick questions. Okay. And based on your answers to this question, it's going to give you suggestions on what kind of job you might be good at, what kind of job you might like. Okay. So I'm going to give this this website. Okay, I'm going to give it to your teachers and ask them to put it on Class Dojo. I mean your Google Classroom, so you guys can go into this website. Okay, so basically you're going to go to this website and you're going to see this where it says career-wise interest assessment. Okay, and what is an interest assessment? It's everything. Everyone has things they like to do, right? And this is going to ask you based on these 60 questions what you'll be good at. Okay, so we're gonna go down here where it says get started, right? Get started right here, right here. We're gonna click that. Okay, then it's gonna take us to a list of questions like these. Okay, so the first question is, would you like to build kitchen cabinets? Okay, so if that's something that you really like to do, you would put strongly like over here. Okay, if that's something that's okay with you, you might put like, right? If you're unsure, you don't know, you would put unsure. If you think it's something you wouldn't really like to do, you could put dislike. And if you know it's something you wouldn't want to do, put strongly dislike. Okay, so for example, building kitchen cabinets, that's something I might like to do. Okay, laying brick or tile, that's something I might like to do. Develop a new medicine, I'm not like into science, so I put dislike. Study ways to reduce water pollution, I'm gonna strongly dislike. Write books or plays, strongly dislike. Okay, play a musical instrument, oh, I do play musical instruments, so that's something I might like. Okay, teach an exercise routine, well, I'm too out of shape to do that, so I'm gonna dislike. Okay, help people with personal emotional problems, oh, that's something I really do like. Okay, so you're basically gonna answer these 12 questions and then you'll hit next. Okay, you're gonna go to another 12 questions. After you do all those 12 questions, okay, you're gonna hit next again. After we go through these questions, okay, another 12 questions, we'll hit next again. We'll do another set of 12 questions, we'll hit next again. And then our final set of 12 questions, and we're gonna hit next one more time, okay? So after we're finished with all of our 60 questions, we're gonna hit next, okay? Then it's gonna take you to this page, okay? In this page, it's going to give you what they call an interest profile result. Okay, and you see how right here I have a bar graph, right? And some of my things are higher than the other, okay? So this was based on those questions that I took, okay? And my score comes out, I'm a realistic person with a really high score of 28, and then I have a social score of 26. So realistic people are what they call doers, okay? My personality trait is I'm practical, I'm reserved, I'm curious, I'm persistent, I'm good at solving problems. I prefer to work with things like machines, tools, and greenery. I have hobbies and career interests. I like to work my hands or build things. I like to play sports. physically active, light outdoor activities, good at electronics, mechanics, engineering, lab work, farming, carpentry. So that's all pretty accurate, right? And then so I can go to my social stuff because I was also pretty high in social stuff. And I'm a helper, okay? It says I'm cooperative and responsible, empathetic. I prefer to work as part of a team. I enjoy teaching, counseling, or curing others. That's pretty good because I'm a counselor, right? I would hope I would enjoy that, right? So if you, for example, if you come out that you're an organizer, okay, you can open this up and find out what the personality traits of an organizer is. Or if you're an enterprising person, a persuader, I should say, that's what you are, okay? So after you go through this and you look at what kind of person you are, then you hit next again, okay? And it's going to take you to a page that says, okay, tell me what kind of education you want, right? I'm hoping that you guys all think about having an education outside of high school, okay? So I want just for laughs, okay? Or just to think about it seriously, let's put 4-year degree, okay? And then we'll hit view careers and majors. All right, so it's giving me a list of different kinds of jobs that I might like, okay? And it tells me here how much I would make an hour in doing those kind of jobs, right? So this gives me a pretty good idea of things that I might be wanting to look into in the future, okay? And then if I were to click over here, majors, it would tell me what kind of things, if I want to do that, what kind of things would I study in college to be able to do that sort of thing, okay? So if I wanted to be a school counselor like I am, right, I would probably go into, let me see, up here they have education and instructional, okay? Multicultural education, different things that I might want to study, okay? So that's going to be your assignment today. You guys are going to, instead of listening to me for a whole lot of time, okay, you guys are going to go and do that career profiler thing, the interest profiler, okay? So I'm going to send that to your teachers, and so they can share that with you in your Google Classroom, okay? All right, you guys, I'll see you later.